All right, welcome to Dagon Fishing. I want to repeat, or try to repeat what I had yesterday. Is I was fishing for carp and I forgot my camera, and I got a very nice 6-pound fish yesterday, and I want to try to repeat that success today. So I'm using the same setup. This is a heavy Ozark Trail grid stick. Using a 20-pound braid as a main line, and I have a pompano rig that I purchased in Florida some time ago. I've had it for a while. I use it if I go to Florida and I get some time to fish. Anyway, using sweet corn, of course, a heavy sinker, like a 2-pound sinker, I think, and I'm just gonna throw it in. I'm gonna leave the rod alone while I fish for something else and see if I can bite them. They gotta be somewhere there, exactly where I'm pointing. I know that they're cruising around this river. Unfortunately, I cannot get here in the afternoon today. I'm going to be busy, but actually you can see them better. Let's throw it somewhere in the middle here, like literally just toss it out here and leave it. Okay, there we go. Yes. Oh, look at that. Holy moly. Holy no. Ho ho ho. Oh, I got him. Hi. It's still running. Yeah, he's right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. That one is much bigger. No. Holy moly. That's a monster. How am I gonna get him out? For meetings and stuff. I'm gonna get you out. You know, there's a chance I might fall and hurt myself. But this size of fish, I don't care. Jesus Christ. Holy shit. See?
Yeah.
So freaking, it's a pig. Damn.
How long did it take you?
A lot?
Yeah.
Holy! My god.
How much?
16.
Wow. Holy shit.
I don't know if it's a record around here.
I don't know, dude.
My hand's gonna kill me now. Oh. I do appreciate the Forest Preserve guys still helping me out. At the very least, the picture. I know it snapped. That's fine. But 16 pounds. Exactly what I was targeting. That's probably a dead one. I'll have to retire one. 30-pound mono probably. But for now, thank you all for joining. I'm gonna try to cut this somehow. Whew. I'm gonna cut this video, upload it. Tight lines, everybody. Totally worth it.